Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am your host Lavanya from Chhattisgarh. So in this video related to spoken English, everyone want to become a fluent speaker. And cricketer, how they learn English very easily. You really want to how they learn English very easily. So please stick my video till the end because in this video related to spoken English. I will give one example related to Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Everyone knows who is he. He is a famous person. He speaks very fluently, but in a initial he don't know how to speak in a single sentence. In earlier I watched his video while he delivered that times while he delivered message so speak
with me in the while I was not keeping very well, but I have started worked a lot on my keeping and I'm doing it very well right.
Grammatical mistake he did also earlier, but now he speak very fluently just because he
Chanting my name, my eyes actually filled with water and I just stood there in the dugout for a while. I took my
good confident also, and he knows how to speak English very fluently. And while he give speech, so that time he speak very fluently because he doing lot of efforts. So what kind of efforts he do? So that's why now he is a very fluent speaker. So what kind of, you also want to know what kind of efforts he did. So that's why he now speak very fluently. So he also, what kind of method he follow. He every day speak. He every day reading. He every day writing. And he every day also watching video. And another he also, shadowing practice also. And you also follow these kind of methods. So one day you will definitely become a fluent speaker like me. And me I'm also earlier, while I speak English of that times in my side, underconfident, I'm too fear, and even while I speak so that times my oh my god, what I speak, this kind of issue and these kind of in my mind side also. And even single sentence I can't speak just because that times I'm in underconfident. But now I'm speak very fluently just because I'm giving lot of efforts. So that's why I speak very fluently. And you also want to speak very fluently like native speaker, and you also want to speak good speakers, you also want to speak very fluently. So please watch my video, every video, so one day you will definitely become a fluent speaker. So I am talking about Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He speak nowadays very fluently just because, and while he go for camera and while he go stage, so that time he speak very fluently. And why celebrity give nicely speech, so what kind of methods they follow, while they go for stage, so that times they use Hindi also and English. Why they use Hindi and English language, so that times while you speak in Hindi and English language like mix up language, so everyone wants to watch your video. Because that times, in our Indian people, we are habitual to talk in Hindi language, and while we delivered in a Hindi speech, so that times they feel very comfortable, and that times you also delivered in English language, so that times they also feel very motivated. Like now he speak very fluently in English also and Hindi also. Why? Because why celebrity these kind of speech they delivered, just because they want to gain more viewer also, and you also want to, what is the communication skills, and you also want to attract more people. So first of all, build your confidence, build your personality also, and don't feel afraid while you are speaking. So that times you feel afraid. Why? Because that times you are not comfortable to talk anyone. While you are speaking in Hindi, so that times you are very comfortable, and while you are speaking in English, so that times you are underconfident. Why? These kind of position. Oh my God, I don't want to talk. And me, I'm also. I already told yaar earlier video. You go when you have free times. So you gonna watch my earlier video. That times I'm making lot of mistake. Just because that times I'm a initial. In a 3 to 4 month back, I'm a very underconfident girl. But that times I set my goal because I want to become a fluent speaker. So that's why now I speak very fluent, just because I'm giving lot of efforts. Because without giving lot of efforts, it's not possible to talk any front of people. And you really want to improve your spoken English. So every day you read, write, and start doing practice. So one day definitely change in your personality also. And you really want to enhance your personality. So first of all, you're giving lot of efforts. Sometimes what happened in my side, I'm feeling drowsy while I'm watching conversation video, while I'm watching podcast video. I follow also native speaker also, and I love to watch native speaker also, and even I follow American accent. So sometimes I wanna, like, wanna means I gonna, so these kind of I also follow because I love to watch American or accent, and I also follow. And sometimes while I'm go for conversation, so that times I also use, I wanna tell you, wow, these kind of because in a native speaker also these kind of, they give, they deliver these kind of vocabulary also, and they talk these kind of things also. And in my side, sometimes I'm scolding on myself. Lavanya, you're not a good girl. Why you're why you are feeling drowsy? Why you are feeling lethargy? You are not a good girl. You can go and watch, and you really want to become a fluent speaker. So first you give lot of efforts. So one day you will definitely become a fluent speaker. So that's why I scold myself, really, to be honest. And even I give every day 10 to 20 minutes on myself, what I'm lacking and what I want to do. And you really want to enhance your personality, so please work your personality. Don't waste your time. Your time is money. And you also while you delivered in a motivational speech, so that times you also suggest every people, like, you want to become a famous person, you want to become a fluent in English. So why you waste your time? Don't waste your time. Please focus. So these kind of suggestion I also give, and you also give your in your side. So definitely push yourself and immerse yourself, so you will definitely drastic change in your mind also, and you also feel very motivate like me. तो आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब करिए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर।